The FIM-92 Stinger missile is a MANPAD, man-portable air defense system shoulder-fired, that specializes in taking out helicopters. Stingers have been around in numbers since the late 1970s. They were originally developed by General Dynamics and are now made by Raytheon Missile Systems. The Stinger can also target low-flying airplanes and drones, even enemy cruise missiles. The all-weather Stinger missile has a 2.5-mile range. The launcher, when loaded, weighs 33 pounds and maintenance of the unit is straightforward. Users do not need extensive training. They are fire-and-forget systems, which means they are guided by infrared means. The two-man crew can shoot and scoot to a new position after launch. They excel at resisting countermeasures such as flares. Stingers can also be mounted on a vehicle for better portability. The targeting system, according to Military Today, can identify friendly aircraft to avoid fratricide. When the launcher locks on target, there is a vibration signal and a speaker. The rocket has a solid fueled propulsion and produces a velocity that is twice the speed of sound. It has a highly explosive 6-pound fragmentary warhead. Raytheon says on its corporate website that the Stinger missile has a 90% success rate in reliability and training tests.
Good hit. Clear the pits, clear the pits. You got your radio? What's that box? Hey, shit. At the middle, okay? Once you get up there, the PSO stops around Granville.
5 to 6 seconds for it to actually get to the altitude.
Yeah, me either.
Yeah, right? No?
It's a new clear coat that they got.
Hey, grab the lollipop. Go ahead and pick it up. Use it downrange. The other way. Hey, Don, close it up. Alright, get up.